Hello. So, I believe I've been working on stuff, right? This I had to fix because it was full of nether portals. Okay. My house is up there. Yes, I understand. I made a whole lot of changes. And let's not forget about this baby that I fucking built today. Right, let's go check it out. As you guys can see, it's huge, but like, it's like a Viking vessel, whatever it's called, kind of ship. Yes. The brig! Full of a lot of treasure. With gold! Diamonds and emeralds, as you guys can see. Let's not worry about what's in these chests because it has cargo, right? I had to build this by myself today. Okay? Let's see what's up here. This is where the helms thingy should be, but I do not have the pack downloaded, so it's just a random build. You got a lookout post here. Ta-da! See? You can actually, like, roam around, see what's going on all the way up here, because... Woo! Oh no! Ah! We're up on the deck, and guess what? If you look down here... Oh no, not the lag. It's like one of those see-through window thingies or whatever. Trapdoors, I believe. And in here is my office. Where as the window, etc. With books, a desk, lamps, and a chair. But the thing is, I do not have a map thing, so there's that. Other than that, we got more cargo.
Yeah. What is this secret room?
The secret room.
Yeah.
And the dock. Yeah, don't mind that. It's just the jungle wood thing. But with the medieval pack activated, etc. It's kind of okay, I guess. Though I did had to like make a few extra whatever. What's that name? No! I can't even think of it! I can explain the llamas, okay? The merchant kept abandoning its llamas in my territory. So I had to make a farm for them because the merchant's irresponsible. Up there is the small little church I made. Up there is the whatever that is. But it's all built in one sandcastle.
You did.
So there you guys go. And as for here, it's just a small little home remedy. So, ta-da!